In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add customer review to Shopify. So when you go to your online store over here on the left side, you will be able to see and customize your online store through this part over here. So you can click on customize and you will be redirected to the editing page. Now, to be able to add a customer review, this is not something that is usually present. So when you preview this later on, you will be able to see that it is not actually present when you view a specific product. So let's actually view a specific product for now. And for example, you have product number 1 over here. As you can see, there is no customer review available over here. And when we go to our customization page over here, click on homepage and select our specific product that we would like to view. You can see here, there is no customer service over here or customer review. So to be able to add that, as you can see here on the left side actually, you will be able to see the different types of blocks. You have your title over here, which is this one of course. You have your price, variant picker, quantity selector, buy products, description, and share over here. If you click on add block, you will be able to see more options as you can see here. And you have this option, product rating. You can click on product rating and there will be a product rating that will appear over here. But right now, it won't appear because there is no actual product rating in the database. There is no option or there is no data to display. So for example, you have your variant picker. It's not appearing on our page right now because we don't have any variant for the specific product. Similarly with product rating over here. Now, there is something else. There is something more accurate that is related to customer reviews, and you will be able to have and add customer reviews by using the app page. You click on apps over here on the left side, and in this page you will be able to click on Shopify App Store, and what you're going to see here are all the different apps that are designed specifically for Shopify and are designed to help improve your experience with Shopify. And so what you're going to do is you click on this search bar over here at the top. Simply search for customer review. Click on enter. And the one that we added earlier were product review. And that is just a simple rating where you could see how much rating. Let's say 5 stars, 4 stars, something like that. But for the customer review, all those different apps or application that you could add to Shopify, you will be able to allow the user to add detailed review. For example, we have here AliExpress or Ali review product reviews over here. You could use this. You could also use other types of reviews over here. There's one actually that I saw in the homepage, which is this one over here, product reviews. You could add that as well. And the process of adding the app to your store is the same. You will be able to find it in the customization page. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to add customer reviews to your Shopify. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.